Here are 10 lines on Holi. Number 1. Holi is a famous festival of Hindus celebrated in the month of March, Fagun. Number 2. On this day, people meet each other and play with colors. Holika Dahan is done a day before the colors are played. Number 4. Holika Dahan signifies the defeat of the evil and the victory of the good. Number 5. Prahlad, the devotee of Lord Vishnu, was saved and Holika got burned in the fire. Number 6. Children excitedly play with water guns filled with colored water. Number 7. Special delicacies like gujia, papad, etc. are enjoyed during the festival. Holi teaches us brotherhood and unity. Number 9. It is also considered as a thanksgiving for a good harvest. Number 10. We should use non-toxic colors for playing and should not throw colors on stray animals. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Essays on Thursday. On every Thursday, I will be uploading a short essay or 10 simple lines which cater to KG students, class 1st and class 2nd students. If you have any topic on your mind, kindly mention it in the comment section below. I will definitely make a video on that topic. Meanwhile, subscribe to the channel and keep watching MummyTuber India. Thank you.